Alright, so it's raining out, but I picked up some spare wheels for my boy. These are his drift spares. E36 is slammed on 17s, and it is in dire need of an alignment. But yeah, the T's are in the van. And I ended up putting the, what do you call it, the TPMS solar thingy majiggies on the M3 because it has the temperature and everything like that. So yeah, it shows PSI and temperature. So boom, I think it shows temperature. Regardless, anyhow, I just put them on this car because why not? It needed valve stem caps anyway, and the T37's are gone. So I need to get wheels for the E36. Pardon me, no corona. But yeah, I'm out here in the rain, which is stupid. But yeah, I'm about to go get the tires taken off, and then the guy is going to come pick up the T37's. I was going to use them on the E92 M3, but I decided to sell them and get some 19s, whether that be Forge Stars, TEs, or ZE40s, or Forge Star F14s. But yeah, I just want some wider wheels because I want this thing to just be fat, like 295s or 305s with just a fender roll. Maybe some like 11-inch wheels in the rear, 9.5 front. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And also, I decided that I'm not gonna keep like forcing 10-minute plus videos and stuff like that. Like if I do something like a day like today where I just have one thing to do, I'm just gonna get some content, whether that be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, whatever, or it be 30. But quick update. I ordered my tune from Alpine MS. That should be here Monday or Tuesday. And then Monday, I'll be putting on the KWs and getting an alignment on the M3, as well as most likely putting the carbon aero on. If I don't put the carbon aero on Monday, it will be on during the week because I'm going to try to shoot with my boy Rex. And I'm also going to try to get a shoot in with my boy LaShawn because he just picked up a red. And then Rex just picked up a A7R4. So yeah, two of my guys got baller cameras, so they kind of got me wanting to buy one. But yeah, maybe I'll use my Trump check to buy a camera, who knows. But I do have quite a bit of money saved so far, and if the E36 does sell, what I'm going to do is most likely try and find like a budget 7 series or a 5 series wagon, and then get the supercharger. But I'm not going to get the supercharger right away. I'm just going to put the money aside for the supercharger and have it installed before H2O, because I'm going to be, I want to at least enjoy the tune that I'll be buying for a couple months and get used to the car, and then bump up the speed, and then what do you call it? Then after that, do meth injection on the supercharger, because eventually I want to be running. So if I get a 625 kit, I want to be getting around 600 to the wheel, because the 625 kit does, I believe, 540 wheel, and that's on pump. So E85, that will be another like 30, 40, so that'll be like 580. Then meth will be another like 10 to 20, maybe 25, and then that will be around 600. So yeah, drink tea, motherfuckers, because in times like these, you need to be drinking tea. You got to be drinking things with high acidity. It's like, if you're going to be drinking water, try to get nothing less than smart water. You could get Deer Creek, Fiji, Essentia especially, Yeah, but those are like the best waters you can drink. And then T, parking sensor error. It's always something with these cars. But yeah, T's are back there. Let's go to the tire shop. All right, so this is actually the first like cold start, because it's actually like, it was snowing earlier. Man, the E85 smells so good. But yeah, the guy's about to be here in like 10 minutes or so. So warming up the M3, and then after he grabs the wheels, I'm gonna. So what I've been doing is anybody who buys something from me, especially for the asking price, they are getting free tank of gas. So I'm filling up people's tanks, because expect like, so when somebody buys something from me and picks it up or meets with me in a desired location, go to the gas station and get a tank of gas, because why not? It's good business, and people are doing me a favor by having me not have to go all the way to them, especially if they're picking it up. So might as well give them an extra little incentive, you know. Love doing good business, so it's whatever to me. And also, this does happen when you have a rough cold start. I'm hoping the tune does help this a bit, but yeah, brings up a check engine light. It's always false because, you know, the car, what do you call it, had a hard time starting up, so the ECU kind of gets confused. So scan, codes found, read codes. It's most likely misfire, yeah, but there's no misfire. So when this happens, don't worry about it, just erase the codes, boom, it's gone. Like, because it's not an actual misfire, it's just when the car was in the cold starting sequence, it had to do whatever it does, and the ECU gets confused. So it's just that, nothing crazy. Yeah, so he just grabbed the wheels. Yeah, he's in a nice F80 M3. That thing is nice, white with the red interior. I'm actually going to look into getting F80 seats for my M3. You can see it back there. But yeah, that dude's car is nice. I've never seen a white one in person, and when I say that thing is nice, that thing is nice. I would not mind it. Like, I never thought I would like the sedans, but Jesus, beautiful car. Golly. Yeah, that thing sounds good as shit. People said that these cars did not sound good, but that is not true. This car sounds good. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna grab one of those next. I'm probably not doing the GTR or anything like that, because, man, listen, this car sounds amazing, and it looks nice too. I definitely, you know what, I'm probably gonna grab a another DJI Osmo Action, because I need like a head cam, an action cam again. But yeah, I really love this car so much, and I really can't wait to get the tune, because there's gonna be, you know, some burbles, better throttle response, better Vanos and gains. So I'm probably gonna be as close to the 400 wheel as possible. NA, so yeah, I can't wait for that. But you already know, drink water, motherfuckers, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.